This isn't just a 1972 Chevy K-20, it's a $89,900 frame-off masterpiece hiding a modern LS V8 beast beneath classic square-body steel. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a look at a legendary American truck that has been completely reborn for a new generation. This is the 1972 Chevrolet K-20 4x4 Pickups Restomod, a classic square-body icon that combines old-school Chevrolet toughness with modern performance, luxury, and technology. At first glance, this truck looks like it came straight from the golden era of American pickups. The bold lines, commanding stance, and unmistakable 1972 Chevrolet design represent a time when trucks were built to work hard and last forever. But this is not a normal vintage pickup. This K-20 has gone through a complete transformation, becoming a frame-off restored Restomod that delivers the perfect balance between heritage and modern engineering. The story begins with the foundation, the legendary Chevrolet K-20 platform. Built during the final year of the iconic 1967-1972 Chevrolet CK generation, the K-20 was designed as a serious four-wheel drive workhorse. It was created for people who needed strength, durability, and capability. Decades later, this same platform has become one of the most desirable classic truck foundations for custom builders around the world. But this particular K-20 takes everything to another level. The truck has received a complete frame-off restoration, meaning every major component was removed, inspected, rebuilt, and refinished. This is the type of restoration process reserved for high-quality collector vehicles. The body, chassis, suspension, and mechanical components were carefully restored to create a truck that looks timeless while performing like a modern machine. Under the hood is where this classic Chevrolet truly comes alive. Instead of the original era powertrain, this K-20 features a modern GM 6.0L LS EFI V8 engine. The LS engine family has become legendary among enthusiasts because of its incredible combination of power, reliability, and aftermarket support. This fuel-injected V8 delivers modern performance while keeping the classic truck experience alive. Turn the key and the difference is immediate. The engine starts with confidence, responds instantly, and provides the smooth power delivery that modern drivers expect. The electronic fuel injection system means easier starts, better efficiency, and dependable performance whether cruising through city streets or heading out on an adventure. Power is delivered through a 4L60E automatic transmission, giving this vintage pickup a modern driving experience. The electronically controlled automatic transmission provides smooth shifting and overdrive capability, allowing the truck to comfortably handle highway speeds while maintaining the personality of a classic American 4x4. The K-20's legendary four-wheel drive capability has also been enhanced with a 4-inch lift, giving this truck a powerful road presence. The elevated stance creates a more aggressive appearance while adding additional ground clearance for outdoor adventures. Whether parked at a classic car event or exploring back roads, this Chevrolet commands attention from every angle. The suspension upgrades and lifted profile give the truck a confident appearance, but this build is not just about looks. It has been engineered to provide a comfortable and controlled driving experience. Stopping power has been upgraded with disc brakes, while power brakes and power steering make this classic truck far easier to drive than an original 1972 model. These improvements allow the driver to enjoy vintage styling without sacrificing modern comfort and control. Inside the cabin, this K-20 continues the theme of classic design mixed with modern convenience. The interior captures the spirit of a traditional Chevrolet pickup while adding comfort features expected from today's vehicles. With air conditioning, This truck becomes more than just a weekend showpiece. It becomes a vehicle that can actually be enjoyed on long drives. That is what makes a Restomod like this so special. It respects the past while removing the limitations of the past. The exterior design remains one of Chevrolet's greatest achievements. The square body styling has become an automotive symbol, recognized instantly by truck enthusiasts. The strong front-end design, muscular proportions, and timeless pickup silhouette create a look that never goes out of style. This 1972 Chevrolet K-20 is not trying to hide its history. Instead, it celebrates it. Every detail represents decades of American truck culture, combined with modern craftsmanship and performance technology. With a vehicle price of $89,900, this K-20 sits in the world of premium classic truck Restomods. It represents far more than an old pickup with upgrades. It represents thousands of hours of restoration work, careful engineering decisions, and a passion for preserving one of Chevrolet's most iconic designs. This is the kind of truck that turns heads at car shows, attracts attention at fuel stations, and creates conversations wherever it goes. It carries the toughness of a 1972 Chevrolet K-20, but delivers the confidence of a modern performance vehicle. The 1972 Chevrolet K-20 4x4 pickup Restomod is the ultimate combination of American history and modern innovation. A classic square-body legend reborn with a powerful 6.0L LS EFI V8, a smooth 4L60E automatic transmission, upgraded suspension, modern braking, air conditioning, and a frame-off restoration that brings everything together. It is not just a pickup truck. It is a piece of American automotive history rebuilt for the future, a machine that proves some legends never disappear, they simply evolve.